Yo. Alright, update on the rims. I'm still in the process of sanding these rims down, but man, when I tell you they're like close to the original color, they're like right there. I'm not gonna have that on this video, but check this out. I got a mod for you guys for this video, so you can tell in the description. I finally got the Underglow for the Focus. I don't know if you guys think that's tacky or not, but it's becoming a trend out here in the East Coast. I don't think I've seen it on the West Coast. I follow this guy with this teal Scion. I think it was thick 86. He has them, and what makes these special is actually that they're a chase effect. So it kind of gives you like that, you know, they follow each other. So I'm gonna get them installed today. So I'll take you guys on that and see how they look at the end. I'll get back to you with that right now. All right. So this is the process of it so far. What do you guys think? I still haven't mounted them on the side skirts yet. So still gotta put them up. The good thing is they come with double-sided tape, and then you end up putting these little brackets. But we're getting there. Alright guys, the install is actually finished. This thing actually came with an app, so you can actually turn it on. So you just end up going back, you turn them on, and boom. They look great, man. The install was a mission. You know, you're gonna have to like put the cables all away, but at the end, it was worth it. Looks good. So right now it's set up to auto. See, gives you all different types of colors. You can keep it a different color if you want to. It's got like I think about 100 presets. So yeah, next video I should have the rims already installed, so you guys can check it out. If you haven't already, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. For those of you that are following the channel, shame on you. You should have pressed that like button. Alrighty guys, I'll let you guys go. I'll see you on the next video.